Hey everyone, welcome back. If your IBAN is not showing inside the bunq, here's what to do. First, make sure your account is fully verified. Bunq may not display your IBANs until the identity verification is completed. Then open the app and refresh your dashboard. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen, look for the bunq, swipe it away completely, wait for a few while, reopen it. Then check that you're viewing the correct bank account inside the app. If you have multiple accounts, tap each one to see its details. Then ensure your subscription plan supports a personal IBAN. Some plans may have limitations depending on your account type. Then head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for bunq and update your app to the latest version. Updating it is important because you'll get the latest files and bug fixes. Now, if your IBAN still does not appear after verification is complete, contact bunq support directly through the app for clarification. That's how to fix the bunq IBAN not showing. Subscribe for more quick fixes.